If you check right over here, as you can see, I've successfully withdrawn nearly 418 Ghana cedis and my very first payout from DreamFarm. In today's video, I'll walk you through the entire process of converting gold coins from DreamFarm into real money step by step and how I withdraw this whopping amount of money. You are welcome back to RiCo AI Tech. Today I'm showing you how I successfully withdrew 417 Ghana cedis from DreamFarm in just 30 minutes. So you stick around to see the full process and learn how you can also do the same. Alright, so nearly a week and a half ago, I introduced you to one of the hottest making money platforms in Ghana, DreamFarm, a platform that pays consistently just by farming. And many users who took it seriously are now earning millions of cedis. So this week, I decided to make a withdrawal myself to show you the entire process and the proof, okay? So you watch closely to see exactly how it's done and you can follow the same steps to, withdraw money. If you check right over here, I've accumulated almost 47.3k, which is 47,300 gold coins simply by farming daily. So here's how I converted those coins and made a withdrawal. First, I'll tap on the bank icon or click on mine where you will see the withdrawal options. Okay, since I've already linked my payment method, I can go ahead and withdraw directly. If you are not sure how to link your payment method, you can check out my previous video for a step-by-step guide. The video is under the video description, so you can check that out. Alright, now if you look right over here, my account balance shows 47,163 gold coins, which the system automatically converts it to 473 Ghana cedis. Okay, yes, equivalent to 473 Ghana cedis. Okay, now I'll enter the amount I want to withdraw, 473 Ghana cedis. Just a reminder, 100 coins are equivalent to 1 Ghana cedis. So 47,316 gold coins convert to 473 Ghana cedis. Okay, as I mentioned earlier. Alright, next I will select my bank, then click OK and cash that money out. Okay, yes, it's important to note that there are withdrawal fees. Okay, yes, there are some hidden fees, withdrawal charges. If you look here, they will charge you 2 cedis exchange for exchanging the gold coins. That will be 2 cedis exchange and 11% handling fee. Okay, yes, so the minimum withdrawal is just 20 Ghana cedis. For example, if you withdraw 2,000 gold coins, which is equivalent to 20 Ghana cedis, you should expect to receive 16 Ghana cedis after the fees are deducted. Okay, yes. Now that my withdrawal has been submitted, I can tap the record page over here to track the processing time. So as you can see, my withdrawal now is under review and I'm expecting to receive just over 400 plus Ghana cedis. Okay, yes. While we are waiting, let me briefly explain how DreamFarm works for you if you're a new member here. It's all about farming online, reaping profits, and getting paid. Okay, yes, if you check here, my farming is still running, generating profits every hour. Oh, yeah. If your land is empty, you can buy more seeds to continue farming and increase your earnings. Okay, so on the store page, you will find various seeds available for purchase. For example, if you buy the 3K seed, which is the potato, you can harvest 150 gold coins every 4 hours and make a total profit of 4,500 gold coins. Okay, yes, if you want to even boost your earnings, you can invest in the higher tier seeds. For instance, buying tomato seeds for 60 Ghana cedis can yield you a maximum profit of 115 Ghana cedis. Okay, that's right. The larger the seed you grow, the more profits you can harvest each hour. Okay, yes, you can also tap props to buy farming tools and materials like water, insecticide, and rakes to help your seeds grow faster for harvest. Okay, yes, additionally, on the ranking page over here, you will find the top earnings users ranked by position. So you scroll down to see your ranking and track your performance. Okay, yes, as mentioned in my previous video too, you can also sign in daily to earn rewards, and play the lucky field game to win more bonuses. Okay, yes, Dream Farm do actually offers multiple ways to maximize your earnings beyond just farming and entertaining yourself also. Okay, very good. Now let me check if my withdrawal has been processed. Great. If we check right here, the status shows finished, meaning my withdrawal was successful. As you can see, I've successfully received 417 Ghana cedis, and this withdrawal didn't even take 24 hours. It was completed in just 30 minutes, showing how reliable and legitimate DreamFarm is when it comes to payments. Yes. If you're interested in trying it out, be sure to follow the steps I have outlined in this video to, maximize your earnings and avoid any issues. Okay, yes, this is the exact proof. This is the exact proof that Dream Farm is actually working and paying out. So you can follow out how to withdraw in this video. Okay, very thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, you don't forget to you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel RiCo AI Tech for more tutorials on making money online. Don't forget to also turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Okay, I'm your financial doctor Leo RiCo, and here is RiCo AI Tech. See you in the next video.
Move that thing, give me bass, shaking your ass. Like Charlie, don't cast. She says she know fast.